money in stocks, that's what I'm talking about. Equity in real estate, what I'm talking about. Perfecting the game, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. So what we talking about?
Did you just now get into investing stocks? Is it something that interests you, but you're kind of worried because you don't know what stocks to invest in? Quick little tip, and this is oversimplifying, but look at your life and figure out what items, what companies, what products that you use on a daily basis, which ones do you love, and start there. If you shop at Target, you should own some Target. If you shop at Starbucks, you should own some Starbucks, okay? Nike, own Nike, all right? So if you're in a specific industry, like the mortgage industry or real estate industry, EXPI is a great real estate company to buy or to research. Rocket Mortgage. There's a lot of companies out there that you utilize every single day that you can start with. And when I say start, you can buy them. I'm not giving you investment advice per se on what to spend your money on, but it's a way to start doing your research. Research the company, but the easiest way to start is research the companies that you use every single day. All right, it's your boy Nigel. It's a quick tip on the road. Like, subscribe, share. Love y'all.